Good day everyone, especially to Miss Mara Abismo. I am Charlene Ichalico from BSA 2B, and today I will be reading my speech all about the influence of nucleic acids on agricultural practices. Nucleic acids, specifically DNA and RNA, play a crucial role in modern agriculture by driving advancements in genetic engineering, crop improvement, and livestock breeding. Through the study and manipulation of DNA, scientists have developed genetically modified or GM crops that are more resistant to pests, diseases, and environmental stresses. For example, BT cotton has been engineered to produce a natural insecticide, reducing the need for chemical pesticides, while drought-resistant maize ensures stable yields in arid regions. Additionally, RNA interference or RNAi technology is used to suppress harmful genes in plants, protecting them from viruses and other threats. This innovation not only enhances crop productivity but also promotes sustainable farming by reducing chemical inputs and environmental damage. In livestock farming, nucleic acid technologies have revolutionized breeding and disease prevention. DNA sequencing helps farmers selectively breed animals with desirable traits such as faster growth, higher milk production, and improved disease resistance. Furthermore, gene editing tools like CRISPR-Cas9 allow precise modifications to animal genomes, improving meat quality and reducing susceptibility to illnesses. RNA-based vaccines are also being developed to protect livestock from viral infections, decreasing the reliance on antibiotics and lowering the risk of antibiotic resistance. This application ensures healthier animals, more efficient food production, and a more sustainable livestock industry, benefiting both farmers and consumers. The influence of nucleic acids in agriculture extends beyond productivity. It has significant economic and environmental impacts. By reducing the need for pesticides, fertilizers, and antibiotics, nucleic acid-based technologies lower farming costs and minimize pollution. Additionally, climate-resilient crops helps ensure food security in the face of climate change. However, ethical concerns and regulatory challenges must be addressed to ensure the responsible use of genetic technologies. As research continues, nucleic acid advancement will play a vital role in securing a sustainable and efficient global food system.